Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I wanted to walk you through a 2021 Sea Ray. This is the 21 SPX. There are three models in the SPX series. The 21's right in the middle. It's an excellent family boat. It's got a beam of 8'6", so very wide, 21 feet 6 inches long, and around 3,100 pounds dry weight. This particular model is got a new color on it. This is called Lagoon Blue, kind of a lighter blue, kind of like the ocean. And then we did a black bottom on this one, and then a white hull is up on the top here. As we come to the back, we did option it with the sea decking on the swim platform. So there's nice sea decking on the swim platform. There's a nice true walk-through in this 21, so you can walk from the dock right into the boat without having to step over any of your cushions. We also ordered this boat with the Mercury 4.5 liter, 250 horsepower engine, which comes standard with the stainless steel prop. This boat has more than enough power to get you up skiing, tubing, anything you want to do with the family. So let's go on the interior and take a look at the rest of the options. Welcome to the interior. This particular model we did with the stone interior, so it's a nice lighter gray. This was new last year, and this year all the boats are going to have this black accent. So the accent color is going to be black no matter what color you pick here. We got the nice sun pad here, and then one thing I want to point out was this nice backrest. So if you're anchored out and you're hanging out with everybody back in here, you got a nice little backrest for yourself. And like I said, there's a nice walkthrough. There is a storage compartment down in here. That's where your battery switch is as well, so you can fit a nice carry-on cooler in there. And as I walk on, there is another storage area right here. Stainless steel lock on it, stainless steel lock. What I love about this boat is all the storage and all the different places that you have. So another one is right in here. There's a nice storage area right down here. This is a great a standard feature. This is an integrated cooler, so just throw some ice in here, throw your drinks in here. It's on a full hinge along here, and it's got a lock on it, so it's not going anywhere. There's storage back in there, and then another place in this 21 for another cooler. And it's got a little lock, so it won't go anywhere, but another place for a cooler and another seat. We've got the captain's chair here, and then your passenger chair. This one does have a bolster, so you can sit up a little bit higher if you like, and it does swivel. This particular chair here does have a bolster. It swivels and it goes forward and back. We ordered this boat with the LED package, so LED lighting. There's blue LED lighting underneath in the cockpit, in the bow, and all the cup holders as well, so that looks kind of cool. Fusion stereo system. We got the standard Fusion stereo in here with 4 speakers and the Fusion stereo right up here. So you can hook it up to your phone. You can do it Bluetooth. You can do it USB, because there's a couple USBs around here too. Got some storage in here, and then I know it's going to be hard to see, but there is a nice storage unit in here that goes kind of all the way back into here, so you can fit a lot of different things in there. New for 2021 on the 21 SPX is the bow filler cushion. So you can take this cushion, there's some things you can put in here to make it a nice stable area. So you can put that in there, it'll stay on there, and you can fill that all in. So great big bow on the 21. Like I said, 21 SPX is a super popular model, great for families, easy to trailer around, bring it to pretty much any lake you want. Again, it is here in Rogers, so give us a call to get your personal tour of this boat and any other 21s that we have in stock. And as always, click the like button and click to subscribe to follow all the new videos we're putting out on a daily basis.